there, I'm Leslie Villarreal, and I want to talk to you today about ultrasonics. So I found that not all the ultrasonics are created equal. As a matter of fact, there's a huge difference in performance in many of them. The little ones that you get from, Amazon, or maybe like a Gemsonic or something you might get from even Target, they are not really meant for industrial, like cleaning off rouge and compounds and the really filthy, dirty things that we as jewelers come into contact with. They're great for people at home, maybe your customers who want to just keep their rings clean, polish it up on their own. Maybe a small, not very effective ultrasonic would be good, with a little bit of jewelry cleaner to help them keep their jewelry clean. But if you want one that's really, really good for getting off heavy compounds, the best one I found is the Best Built. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what turned me on to this one. AutoFry has it on their website. And let's see, it is, I'll tell you, as I was looking around for ultrasonics, like I said, I had 3 of them in my life, and this is my 3rd. What I found is that a lot of them have really bad reviews. This one has got 5 stars, and it's supposed to be awesome. So what really turned me on about it was on their website. I read the details, and it says that these Best Built ultrasonics are the most powerful ones that AutoFry had ever tested. It outperformed their old Ultrasonic brand in a side-by-side demonstration using aluminum foil. And with the aluminum foil, I guess it just destroyed the aluminum foil, which is a good thing, which means it's really, really strong. You're really getting a lot of power with it. So I'm going to show you mine, and I'm going to show you what comes with it. Now, to get a really good ultrasonic, you have to spend some cash. You can't get a really good one for under $200, I don't believe. So, at least not that I found. Anyway, this one is a kit. So, and it holds about 900 milliliters of water, actually more than that. I'm not exactly sure how much, but it has a fill line, and I'll show you that in a moment that you want to fill it up too. And then it has a lot of very nice things that come in the kit. So you get a little ring basket, or if you want to hang chains, you don't want them to get all tangled, you want to hang them up, you can use that little basket. It comes with this, which is great also for chains or rings. Okay, and if you just got something really tiny like gemstones, you don't want to lose them, you want to put them in this little, it looks like a tea strainer sort of. All that comes with the kit. And you also get a nice size bottle of Ultrasonic, and it's a really good cleaner. I've tried it out, and I like it a lot better than the Sharp Tech I was using. And it's nice because it gives you a ratio of parts. So if you're just doing general cleaning, you use 40 parts of water to 1 part of this, right? And if you've got investment or something after you've done some casting, you've got some really thick stuff, you're gonna like this ultrasonic one a lot. And then you would use a stronger ratio, like 10-to-1. Anyway, it tells you all that right on the bottle. So you want to add warm water to it, and once you get it going, it's got a heater on it, which is important. My last one, the heater wasn't as strong as this. And anyway, it works really, really well. So let me just take you into it, and I'm going to do a little demo. I've got a ring that I made that I've just finished cleaning up some compound off of it, and I'm going to put it in there. This is another little basket that comes with it, which just clips right on the side. And you want to fill the ultrasonic up to, it says that you should never let the water go below this 1-inch mark. So you want to keep it filled up to this little groove that's inside of there. And I'm going to use this little basket and just clip it down on the side there. And I've already got my warm water and solution in there. Now, one thing that they say you should do, that I've been taught anyway, is to degas when you first put it in. So you want to let it run about 3 minutes to get the gas out of it. And once you put the cleaner and everything in, and then you're ready to put your ring in the ultrasonic. I usually don't leave it in for very long. I check it after a minute, and just to make sure everything's okay. You want to always be careful with the types of stones to make sure that they're safe. You don't want to put any really soft stones in there. Also, if you're doing any repairs, you have any questionable things that you think might fall off, like balls or something that have been soldered on or fused on, and you're not sure how well they're attached, you might not want to put them in an ultrasonic because they will very likely vibrate right off. So you want to make sure your setting is safe to put in there. So I'm just going to drop this little ring that it still has some compound on the insides, places I can't get to. So I'm going to put this in, and see what happens there and try to get it clean for you. And I'm going to turn this on. I'm just going to turn it on for a couple of minutes. I've got the heater on, and we'll come back in just a minute and take it out. Here's the cleaning action. You can actually see it happening. Okay, so it just turned off, and I'm going to get my piece out and take a look, and wow. Wowza wowza. That is one sparkly little gemstone there. So I'm very impressed. I mean, I've never seen my stones be this clean. I mean, they just twinkle, and I don't even have any. It's a cloudy day here, so there's not a whole lot of light, but yep. So pretty amazing. If you really want to have a nice sparkle to stones and get all your compounds off, spend a little bit of money and get yourself a nice ultrasonic. I think you'll be really, really happy. The way that it cleans stones is just remarkable, and it's really great too at getting off all the crap that we work with in our studios. Okay, so that's it. For just $10 more, I think it's $11 more on the Best Built, you can get on the Ultrasonic here, you can get the kit. So the kit's only $11 more, and you get all that extra stuff plus a big bottle of the Ultrasonic. Great cleaner, and I like it a lot. So if you guys can swing it, go for it. Get yourself a nice Ultrasonic. You'll be amazed at the difference from the ones you've probably been using if you've been using the more economy style ones. And what I've understood about these products, Best Built, they're making rolling mills, they're making some, as you guys know, I have a magnetic tumbler that I've done a video on too. And they're rock solid machines. I'm pretty impressed, and you don't have to worry about them falling apart after a year or two. So that they should last you a long time. They're well made. It's fine. Anyway, so if you have any questions, leave them down at the bottom. But I get a lot of students who are asking me what brand to buy, what I like, so that's why I did this little video, and I upgraded my Ultrasonic. So I'm glad I did, and I hope it helps you make your decision when you purchase one. This one's available from AutoFry, and I will put the part number and the link below. Okay, so that's it on the Ultrasonic. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check me out at LeslieKaleVillarreal.com for online classes for jewelry making and free videos, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Peace